Would someone come look at this? A pink mini electric chainsaw? These are all the accessories that it comes with. There's so much. Okay, guys, let's open this. Y'all, it does not come with the freaking glasses and some little pink gloves. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, look how cute this is. Look how cute. Got your gloves. Comes with an extra saw chain. Actually, two. Charger wire. I think that's to oil the chains. Comes with this little tool. And extra battery. Oh, also this. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready. So how you turn it on is you press the button and you press this right here. Mom. Click the orange cord below.